Yeah, that's a whole topic in itself. If you look at the blood sugar in an animal or person carrying a tumor, their blood sugar generally is at least normal, and even if they don't eat any sugar, they'll still keep their blood sugar at about the same level. And there have been many attempts to starve a cancer by lowering the blood sugar, but the tumor is sending out signals to provide sugar and protein, amino acids, and fatty acids that it needs to grow. And so if you cut off the sugar supply, all it does is send out more stress signals to increase the basically cortisol production, to break down your tissues, and it causes tissue wasting, the cachexia that is the worst feature of cancer usually, is produced by the stress hormones, which are converting your proteiny tissues and fat tissues into food for the cancer to make up for the absence of sugar. One experimenter using to treat tumors of, for example, the leg would, since the circulation could be isolated, they put in a high concentration of glucose into the artery feeding this tumor in the extremity, and they could get an extremely high concentration of sugar to it, and it killed the tumor without hurting the healthy tissue, because the tumor has such an unlimited appetite for anything that it will eat itself to death. In vitro, if you feed unsaturated fats to cancer cells, they'll eat themselves to death. But in the body, the unsaturated fats are under control. Other tissues will consume them and be injured, and you can't do anything but stimulate a cancer with the unsaturated fats. But with high concentration of sugar, the experimenters showed that sugar would be consumed to the point that it would kill the cancer.